When finding the z-score, we can do this using the inverse norm option on a TI83 or 84 calculator. To do this, all we really need to know is what the area is to the left. You have to know the area to the left. So, given the area, find the z-score, and we're going to assume it's a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So here is our normal curve, and this shaded area here, 0.7881, is going to the left. So since we already know it's heading to the left, we can go in and use our calculator here to find it. So what we do is we go to second and vars, and we're going to go to inverse norm. Now on an 83 calculator, it's just going to prompt you for the area, which we're just going to type in 0.7881. And then you can just close the calculator after that. But if you happen to have a TI84 calculator, something newer, it's actually going to prompt you for area, in which case you're still going to put in 0.7881. Once you're done, just hit enter, and we get 0.7998. But since we're finding a z-score, you typically want to round to 2 decimals. So the z-score here is going to be, and I'm going to round it to 0.80. And that's all you do. Now let's find the z-score to this one, 0.5948. Now this is the area to the right. This is what's shaded over here. Using inverse norm, we can only find the area to the left. So to find the area to the left, we're going to do the complement rule. So we're going to do 1 minus 0.5948, so we can get this area over here. So 1 minus 0.5948 is going to give us 0.4052. So this is the area here. Once we know that, we just go back and use our calculator. So second vars, number 3 for inverse norm, and our area is going to be 0.4052, and just hit enter, and we're going to get negative 0.2399, so rounding to 2 decimal places, we're going to say that the z-score here is negative 0.24. Just remember, when you're dealing with inverse norm, trying to find the z-score, it has to be the area to the right, or to the left, like the first one. But if you happen to be given the area to the right, just do 1 minus, and then inverse norm, and you'll be able to find the z-score.